Good morning, children. So that day, beta, we have learned complementary angles and supplementary angles. So complementary angles means if the sum of two angles are 90 degree, they are said to be complementary to each other. Supplementary angles means if the sum of two angles are 180, it is supplementary. Now let us discuss something, beta. Discuss the following statements. If statement is right, an example. If it is wrong, so you have to state why. Two acute angles can make a pair of complementary angles. Two acute angles. So acute angle means less than 90 degree. If two acute angles make a complement, so this statement is correct or not? So yes, this statement is correct. So how it is correct? See. Now see beta. So you have to explain it with example. Now see, if one angle is 30 degree and another angle is of 60 degree. Okay, so 30 plus 60, 90. Yes, 30 and 60 both are the acute angles, or you can say two angles of 45 degree. Okay, and 45 plus 45, 180. Equals to 90 degree. Or let us see one more example. If one angle is of 10 degree and another is 80 degree. So children, yes. So it is true. Two acute angles can make a pair of complementary angles. Okay. Now see the next. Two right angles can make a pair of complementary angles. Now tell me, right angle means what, beta? 90 degree. And the sum of two angles should be 90 for complementary angles. So here is given two right angles. So this statement is incorrect. So two right angles cannot make a complementary angles. Now let us see the third. One acute angle and one obtuse angle can make a pair of complementary angle. See, one acute angle is correct, but another is obtuse. Obtuse means its measure is more than 90 degree. So it is not possible that you can make a complementary angle with one acute and another obtuse angle. Okay, now see the fourth one. Two acute angles can form a pair of supplementary angles. Now see, supplementary angles means the sum of two angles is 180 degree. Now two acute angle means its measure is less than 90 and 180 means 90 plus 90. So it is not possible to make a supplementary angle with two acute angles. Two right angles can form a pair of supplementary angles. Two right angles. two right angles, means measure of each is 90 degree and 90 plus 90 is 180. For example, see. This angle is of 90 degree. Yes. And it is also 90 degree. And 90 plus 90 is 180. Here this straight angle is formed and the measure of straight angle is always 180 degree. So this statement is correct. You can make a supplementary angle with two right angles. Now the next, one acute angle and one obtuse angle can form a pair of supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means sum is 180. So can you form a supplementary angle with one acute and one obtuse? Yes. Suppose if one angle is of 150 degree, obtuse, another is of 30, 150 plus 30, 180. So yes, you can form, or you can say one angle is of 160 degree and another is of 20 degree. So you can form a supplementary angle with one acute and one obtuse angle. So let us see beta the next term, opposite rays. Okay, so I am explaining with the help of two figures. One figure is point A, it is point B, and it is point C. Now see the another figure. It is point P, Q, this point is R. See better. The origin of both rays, origin means the starting point. The starting point of both rays is B, yes, and they form an angle. But they are not said to be opposite rays if their origin is same. But now see the second. The origin of this ray QR and ray QP is same. Q is the origin. So they are opposite rays. Why? Because the straight angle is formed due to these two rays. Okay, here a straight angle is not formed. Straight angle is 180 degree. It is not a 180. But here the angle of 180 degree is formed due to the opposite rays. That's why angle QP and angle Q are opposite rays, not the figure 1. So how will you define opposite rays, beta? See. Two rays which have a common origin and form a straight line. Opposite rays. So what is it? In both the cases, the origin of these two rays is same. But here a straight line is not formed. But in the figure 2, the straight line is formed. Therefore, these rays are the opposite rays. Got it, beta? And now let's see the another term. Angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair, or you can say the linear pair of angles. Linear pair. Now see beta, what is the difference between the linear pair and the supplementary angles? See, suppose I am explaining once supplementary angles. See, supplementary angles means the sum of two angles is 180. So the angles may be like this. It is 150 degree and it is 30 degree. Okay. This angle is of 30 degree and this angle is of 150. And the sum, if you add these two angles, you will get 180. That's why it is supplementary. Or you can say 150 degree. So these two angles are also supplementary angle. Why? 150 plus 30 is 180. Now see linear pair. Again in the linear pair, the sum of two angles are 180. See, this angle is of 150 degree, it is 30 degree. Here also, it is 150, it is 30. The sum is 180. Here is also the sum of two angles is 180. But these angles are known as linear pair. These two angles are known as linear pair. And these two angles are not the linear. Yes, these two are the supplementary, but these are not the linear. So what is the condition to make a linear pair? The sum of two angles are 180 and also they must be adjacent angle. So what is the meaning of adjacent angles? They have shared, the angle must share one common arm. One arm and one vertex. C. Here. A, B, C and D. Here P, Q, R and S. So if you take angle A, B, C, or you can take angle A, B, B. This AB is common in these two angles. Here is also better. PQR or PQS. This PQ is common for both these angles. Therefore, they are adjacent angles and their sum is 180. Therefore, these two are the and this type of angles are said to be linear pair. Okay, so it is supplementary angle, but it is not linear. Why not linear? Because they are not sharing one common arm. Yes, linear pairs are also supplementary. Linear pairs are also said to be linear, supplementary. Why? See, these angles are adjacent. But for supplementary, angles may be adjacent, may not be adjacent. But to make the linear pair, angles must be adjacent angles. So got it, beta? Okay. Now let us see the another term. Okay. The next term, vertically opposite angle. Let's discuss a practice shape on, and the question 1 is draw the pair of angles and describe below. If that is not possible, say why. First, complementary angles that are not adjacent. Complementary angles that are not adjacent. What is the meaning of this? You have to draw two angles such that their sum must be 90, but they are not adjacent. Means you have to draw two separate acute angles, but condition is sum must be 90 degree. Complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. Yes, complementary angles doesn't form a linear pair. Why? Because linear pair means 180 degree and complementary angle means 90 degree. So that's why complementary angles doesn't form a linear pair. Next question. Angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. Complementary भी नहीं है, adjacent भी नहीं है. So what type of angles they are? See the first figure on the board and the second. This type of angles, they are not complementary. Why? Because one is 150 and another is 30. And neither they are adjacent, they are separate angles. Therefore, they are neither complementary, neither adjacent. So, what type of angles they are? Supplementary angles. Angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. Which are not supplementary. Angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. Which are not supplementary means they are the adjacent. So angles in a linear pair. So you have to draw this type of angles. Okay, so if it is 20 degree, it is 30. So what is the angle of this? It is 130. See, they are the separate. Here three angles are formed. One is 20, 30 and 130. But if you add all these, they are linear pair. If you add all these angles, they become a linear pair. Okay. Adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. So see, you can say first two angles 30 plus 20. Yes, they are adjacent angles, but they are not linear. Why? Because sum of, or you can say this type of angles you can draw. It is 30 and it is 50 degree. One angle is of 30 degree, another is of 50 degree. Yes, they are not complementary. Why not complementary? Because the sum is not 90 degree. Sum is not 90 degree. Therefore, they are not complementary. But they are the adjacent angles. See, because the origin or they share common arms. Therefore, they are adjacent angles, but not complementary because their sum is not 90 degree. Angles in a linear pair which are complementary. Angles in a linear pair which are complementary. So you, for that you can draw like this. Here is 90. Suppose it is 45 degree, it is 45 degree. Okay, if it is 30 degree and it is 60 degree. So see, these two angles are complementary, but they are from the linear pair. These two are also complementary because the sum of 60 plus 30 is 90. But if you add all these four angles, the sum is 180 degree. So children, in this way, you can solve the questions on complementary and the supplementary. So bye bye children.